Hey everybody, Jason Hepler here with the Hollywood Police Department. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everybody who liked, shared, and commented on my I Can Only Imagine lip sync video. The next thing I want to talk about is K9s4COPs. They're an amazing organization that provided me with my partner, K9 And K9 before I got him, spent 3 years in the war in Afghanistan, protecting and defending our soldiers and our bases over there. Now, after I've got K9, we've done wonderful things in our city. We've stopped large amounts of drugs, we found some bad guys, and we've just done great work together. But Fox is starting to get old. His whole life has been of service, and it's just about time for him to retire. You can help me, you can help ensure that I get another K9 from K9s4COPs by following these instructions. Below this video is a link. You need to click on the link and like the video that pops up there. It's my I Can Only Imagine lip sync video. And it's on a page. And on that page, they're saying that whoever gets the most likes on their video will get $5,000 for the charity of their choice. And I choose K9s4COPs. It'll take you just a few seconds, and you'll be able to help ensure that when I'm ready to retire K9 that we can put another dog on the streets. Now, once again, liking this video doesn't count. You need to click the link that's down below, and when it pops up on a new page and my I Can Only Imagine video is there, like that post, and the person with the most likes will get to choose a charity for to donate $5,000 to, and I'm going to choose K9s4COPs. Thank you all very much, and be blessed.